Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Happy new week to you all. So today's video I will be using Blue Magic. Guys, I've missed using Blue Magic on my hair over a month now. I've not used Blue Magic. So I have in there my shea butter. So I will be using shea butter today. I also have my cocoa butter. I will add that to it as well. So the next thing is my Blue Magic Super Shock Growth. This one is so good when it comes to hair growth. So I will be adding this little amount of it to it. You can make large quantity if you want. You can just be making it and be using it anytime you want to use it. You just make it and use it like that. So now I'm going to be adding this hair conditioner for anti-breakage formula. So the next one is my castor oil. I will be adding castor oil as well. So you can add any other oil of your choice from now, but make sure you add castor oil. So here is my DIY hair growth oil. If you don't have DIY hair growth oil, you can add any oil that you have. So this is my carrot hair growth oil. This video is already on my channel. I will leave it at the description box below or at the card or at the end stream of this video. So now I have all my ingredients in one place. I'm going to allow this to melt now off camera, then I will bring it back to show you how it looked like. So guys, now I have melted it down. This is how it's looking like now. I'm just going to allow it to cool down so that it will get solid again before I will start using this on my hair. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. So guys, after I allow it to cool down for some hours, this is how it's looking like now, guys. So moisturizing, it's so creamy. When you touch it, it's just look like shea butter. It's so good, guys. Look at, there's no grease inside at all. It's so amazing and it's so moisturizing as well. So it's time for me to apply this to my hair, as you guys can see. So shea butter is so good when it comes to hair growth. Shea butter contains vitamin A and E with essential fatty acid. So guys, we'll also be using leave-in conditioner, that is from the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So like I was saying, my hair is wet, so that is why I'm not using water. My hair is already wet. I will just go in and add my leave-in conditioner, then I will just add the grease on top of it, the grease that we made just now with butter. So I will just apply that on top of my hair, then I will put my hair in twist. So shea butter is rich with vitamin E and A with essential fatty acid, which are believed to add moisture and shine to the hair. Its non-greasing quality make it an excellent moisturizer for the hair. It also helps soften dry, brittle hair and repair split damaged ends as well. So guys, shea butter is really so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So after applying that to my hair, I'm just going to detangle my hair. The next thing, I will put my hair in this twist. You can do any protective style of your choice. So cocoa butter is good to moisturize your hair. It makes your hair more manageable. It prevents hair loss due to breakage. It strengthens the hair shaft, add volume and shine to fine hair. It replenishes oil lost due to chemical processing. It also repairs damaged hair strands and can prevent further damaged hair. So cocoa butter is really so amazing when it comes to our hair growth. So Blue Magic Organic Super Shock Growth a hair and scalp conditioner made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese tea to promote healthy hair growth. This product contains natural and visible herbs that melt into the hair and scalp, repair split ends, and prevent hair breakage. So that is Blue Magic Super Sure Growth. So the next one is Blue Magic, the original conditioner. So Blue Magic conditioner you can keep your hair hydrated and healthy. This conditioner moisturizes your hair without leaving it feeling thick or greasy. Your hair will love and feel soft after using this. Every time you apply it to your hair and scalp, using a fingertip to massage the product into your hair very well. So guys, this product, they are so amazing when it comes to hair growth. Castor oil increase blood flow to the scalp, which promotes healthier hair. Applying it just once a month can boost your hair growth up to 5 times the normal rate. Castor oil can moisturize dry, irritated scalp. Castor oil is antibacterial and antifungal property, can reduce dandruff. Okay, so guys, all these products, they are really so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So now I'm just at the back section of my hair. I will just continue to apply this product to my hair, as you can see. So if you are here for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you all. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, so the Cantu Shea butter leave-in conditioner repair cream help to stop breakage, repair split ends, add maleability and shine with every application. When used daily, it helps promote stronger, healthier hair. It also infused with shea butter and natural oils, which moisturize and hydrate the hair. So guys, castor oil is so good. I mean, shea butter, um, Cantu Shea butter leave-in conditioner is so good when it comes to our hair. So it's really help to moisturize your hair if you have a very dry, brittle, natural hair. So you have to try to use Cantu and just make this product, guys. This the way I just made it right now. If you have a very dry, natural hair, you have tried everything, you have used all the grease, nothing work for you, just make this grease the way I make it right now. Make it and use it with this leave-in conditioner, guys. Your hair is going to still moisturize for days without you even trying to re-moisturize it again midweek. Again, you are going to love your healthy the next wash day, guys. I'm telling you this, just go and give it a try. You are going to love it because the ingredients in here, they are well selected for moisturizing dry, brittle, natural hair, and they can also save your hair from breaking or from split ends or for freezing. Anyhow your hair is, use this product to solve all that. Okay, if you also suffer from dandruff, so it can also help to get rid of dandruff, get rid of dry hair, get rid of split ends, get rid of dry, brittle, natural hair, guys. Just try it and you are going to love this hair grease mist. So I will just continue to put my hair on this protective style like this. Then I will just go off camera to make the remaining parts of my hair because I don't want this video to be super long. Okay, I just want it to be average long so that you guys will not leave me here. Don't leave me. So guys, I am done and twisting of my hair. As you can see how my hair is looking like now. When this white thing dry up, we are going to be seeing shine only without any of those white residue. That is the cream that we use. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. So I grabbed some grease. I'm going to be using that on my edges. Also remember to care for your edges as well as the red part of your hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Stay blessed and stay safe. Okay, bye.